E200 I am going to replace transmission fluid. This is the transmission of E200 9 speed, and we are replacing the transmission fluid of 60,000 kilometer driven or after 4 years. So this is the interval of service, and in this car the complete oil pan we are replacing while servicing on the transmission, because transmission filter is not coming along, it's a not individual part. That's why we have to need replace this complete transmission oil pan. So for draining the oil, this is the special tool. Otherwise you can use 8 Allen key to remove this cap, but this tool, inside of this you have need a special tool. There are 1 2 3 4 stages of this draining the transmission fluid. So while draining the transmission fluid, you need to set the second position to complete drain the transmission fluid. This is new transmission filter. And this transmission filter means, you can say, this complete oil pan. Transmission filter is not coming individual, because this is a fixed inside of oil pan, and if you will try to remove this filter, it will break the lock. That's why we are installing and fixing complete oil pan. Also, as per manufacturer, while replacing the transmission fluid, need to replace complete oil pan. And these are the tube. First is ultrasonic transmission fluid level tube, and second is manually. So this one ultrasonic transmission fluid level adjustable, and this one for manually. We are using the tool and draining the fluid, and also filling the fluid from here. Nine-speed transmission E200. How it looks like. Now I am filling the transmission fluid, and the transmission fluid total capacity of this 9-speed is 10 liter, but I will fill 6.5 because I did not drain the fluid from torque converter. This E200 a 9-speed transmission for correction the fluid level and justified the fluid level, we are using drain method, and we have need a star diagnosis. It will guide you and assist you at what temperature you have to justify the fluid level and drain the fluid level. So in the transmission control unit, you have to go in the actuation, then all level check. It's a message here there, then you have to click, and then it will guide you process at what temperature you have to drain the fluid. Some vehicle have 35 to 45, some vehicle 40 to 45 according to model series. And here is the 1 2 3 4, there are four number is punch here. And for justify the drain justify the transmission fluid level, you have to select this tool on the third position. You can justify the fluid level. Now close the valve.